let's go. Fire it up Monday. Hello, gorgeous. Happy Monday, boys. I hope we had a great weekend. We're going to start out strong this week and hopefully finish up with the engine installed in the Dozer. Maybe the cab put back on it. We're still waiting for the cooling package coming from Carter. So let's get today going, boys. Boys, this right here is called saving the company $2,500. That's right, boys. That unit right there went missing after we pulled the pump stack and the engine out, and I found it today. Yeah, right there below the belly pan. Got lucky enough that we were cleaning everything, and it got caught up in all the pig mats and everything you lay under the. All right, boys, say it with me. That ain't going nowhere. Well, I was gonna hyperlapse it, but you know what? Engine's in, boys. Engine is in. Just a whole bunch of work to get the rest of this thing done. So we can put the cab on. Cooler should be in this week, so we got that to look forward to. But for now, we're going to end it off there.
Life is like, hey, guess what? And you're like, what? And it's like, bam, more life.
All right, guys, welcome to Tuesday. Part 2 of probably many putting this D6N back together and some other odds and ends that we're probably going to run into in between. So enjoy today. All right, boys, we got a service call we got to run out to, but I brought over the ultrasonic cleaner, and we're going to start doing the bolts and clamps for the Dozer. Get this cleaned up. Let's go. All right, boys, starting our morning out, we got a 410 Deer with a coolant leak, so let's get into this one. What the hell is even that? There's nothing in here. Well, boys, I think we found our leak. She's right there. Then another one. Man, cold weather leak central today, boys. All right, Deer 300G, Jesus, it's leaking with a 6.8. So, oil pan gasket is leaking, bolts are loose, falling out, blue Loctite, clean it up. Retorque, don't know what the hell's causing this problem. Somebody hit me up because I have no idea. Man, after a day of cleaning bolts, ugh, that shit is just straight nasty. I fixed 2 things today. I'm a real Deer mechanic. I fixed the door latch and the coolant leak. All right, guys, it's Wednesday. Got more work to do on the Dozer, obviously, and whatever other stuff they like to throw at us. So let's get today going. All right, so we got the fan assembly put on, drive belt on, AC compressor on, started running lines, and of course, contractor life. Pack up, got to track off on an 850, so let's get to that. Wow. Well, on closer inspection, what we got? Missing 2 track pad bolts and 2 that are sheared. And if you guys see that right there, yeah, alligator's pretty well fucked. Well, the day didn't end out like we thought it would. We ended up having to pretty much weld onto all the gators here, and of course I ran a fucking wire on the last one to try to get that out. But we did have some successes though.
I hate Vietnam.
Lily, honey, we don't hate.
I hate Vietnam.
All right, boys, happy Thursday. It's almost Friday, which means we still got more work to do for the week. So go back to the 850 this morning. We're going to go ahead and weld out that one bolt that's still stuck in the alligator. And then we got new hardware coming through James River at some point this morning that we can put that back together, do additional welding. You know what I'm saying? So let's get today going, boys. Boys, right there, that's what success looks like. That's what success looks like. Almost there. Almost. Always have a little fail-safe there, boys. 70-18 comes in handy. See, I made it perfect, boys. Look at that. Tracking perfectly. Little cat yellow paint on there. Don't hurt nothing either. Ooh. What do we have here, boys? Well, there you guys have it right there. Miller Bobcat 230. Not running on the pipeline here, boys. Just the occasional stick welding job and power generation.
You do this every day? Yeah. Why? Because I love it.
Alright, boys, so we're going to go ahead and go up to Carter. We're going to pick up the nose cone with all the coolers on it. See if we have anything going on down in the Waldorf area that we need to fix. And then we just go from there. We're going to go back to the D6N. Possibly get some more work done on that one.
No.
Maybe put something together on that deal.
Man.
So stay tuned and enjoy.
Look at that, boys. 7,000 miles on the old unit.
Alright, so starting out this morning, we got this sweeper motor. You guys can see right here, the motor mounts right in here. Well, it was plated before to strengthen it because it kept cracking the bracket. Well, even the plates broke. So we're going to cut these out, get this back together, and probably put another plate right here. One side done, another side left to do. Well, boys, here's your finished result. Plated the upper and the lower portion for the sweeper motor, and of course I had to hit it with that old cat black gloss finish. Yeah, boys.
Shake hands with danger.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?